Differential equation, second year marks to be part 4. So variable separable method we are discussing. In the part 3 we have completed 7 questions and 8 of us we are going to learn in this part. 8th question, dy by dx minus x into tan of y minus x is equal to 1. So in this variable separable method, first we must separate the variables. But here tan of y minus x is there. So we cannot separate this one directly. So that's why we just assume like y minus x is equal to t. Okay. So let y minus x is equal to some t. First of all, write down given that dy by dx minus x into tan of y minus x is equal to 1. Even if you split like tan of a minus b formula, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, so that will give the lengthy explanation. So but the better thing is just assuming y minus x is equal to t. Now by differentiating with respect to x, we can get dy by dx minus x derivation 1 and the t derivation with respect to t is dt by dx. So let us consider this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and from here dy by dx is equal minus 1 center right side becomes 1 plus dt by dx. This is equation 3. Now substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. Okay, substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. So from equation 1 dy by dx is nothing but 1 plus dt by dx minus x into tan of y minus x is t and is equal 1. Now dt by dx, see on both sides 1 get cancelled, so the remaining dt by dx minus x tan t is equal to 0. So we should separate the variables. So first send this one to right side, then dt by dx is equal to x into tan t. In the left side dt is there, so tan t bring left side, and dx it is in denominator send right side. So this tan t bring left side, so it goes to denominator dt by tan t is equal to x into dx bring right side, it becomes dx x into dx. Now variables are separated, x dx tan dt by tan. Now immediately integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So then integration of 1 by tan t dt is equal to integration of x dx. Actually 1 by tan t means what? Part t. 1 by tan t means what? Part t. And x dx. Now I am going to apply integration formula. Integration of x means x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 means x square by 2 and plus 1 constant. What is integration of cot x? Generally cot x integration, cot x means cos x by sin x. Cot x means cos x by sin x. So sin derivation is cos. So applying f dash x by f of x formula, that is log of f of x. So here we can get log of sin x. So directly you can remember the formula of integration cot x is log sin x. Otherwise if you forget the formula, you can get from using this formula. So integration of cot t is log of sin. So this is the answer. And finally, what is t? Log of sin of t means from the first y minus x is equal to x square by 2 plus c is the answer. Okay. So in this way we can find the solution using variable separable method. When the question is cannot be separated, assume that y minus x is equal to t and differentiate. So we get another equation. Substitute these 2 and 3 in equation 1, and after substituting we can get the total equation in terms of 2 variables only x and t. Now we can separate and taking integration we can get the answer. In the same way, we can see another problem, 9th question also. Let us see. Yes, next 9th question. Sin inverse of dy by dx is equal to x plus 1. So, sin inverse means if you send this sin inverse right side, then what we can get? Dy by dx is equal to sin of x plus 1. Okay, here also same. Which one taken as t? So here x plus y is there, sin of. So x plus y is taken as t. So let x plus y equal to t. Next, immediately differentiate with respect to x. X derivation 1, y derivation dy by dx, and t derivation dt by dx. Okay. Otherwise, if you are interested, you can write differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Then derivation of x is 1, derivation of y is dy by dx, derivation of t is dt by dx. This is equation 1, equation 2, equation. Immediately substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes, means dy by dx becomes, sorry, here one more step we have to write, that is dy by dx equal to 1 center right side, then it becomes dt by dx minus 1. So this is equation 2. Dy by dx equal dt by dx plus 1 center right side becomes minus 1. Okay. So then dy by dx means dt by dx minus 1 and is equal sin of x plus y. X plus y means t. Then the next step, dt by dx is equal to minus 1 center becomes 1 plus sin t. So now 1 plus sin t dt, separate right hand side. So we can get dt by 1 plus sin t is equal to dx. Okay. Now the variables are separated. So after separating variables, immediately integration on both sides. So integration of 1 by 1 plus sin t dt is equal to integration of dx. Now how to simplify this integration 1 by 1 plus sin x? In integration there is a 2 marks question. Find integration 1 by 1 plus sin x. In integration chapter, in another 7 marks questions also, this kind of problems we can see in the middle. So these type of problems can be solved by multiplying and dividing with 1 minus sin dt. And your integration of 1 dx is x plus some constant c. Here 1 into 1 minus sin t is 1 minus sin t, and then in the denominator 1 plus sin into 1 minus sin becomes 1 square minus sin square, like a plus b into a minus a square minus b square. So 1 minus sin square you can get. 1 minus sin square means cos square theta, cos square theta, and then dt as it is equal to x plus. You just write the formula 1 minus sin t, 1 plus sin t into 1 minus sin t is equal to 1 minus sin square t, that is equal to cos square t. Okay. So according to that, the denominator we can see. Now 1 by cos square and sin by cos square. Separate 1 by cos square t minus sin t by cos square dt is equal to x plus c. So 1 by cos square means nothing but secant square, and sin by cos square means sin by cos into cos, means sin by cos means tan t, 1 by cos means sec. So sec t into tan t into dt is equal to x plus. Now what is integration of secant square? What is integration of secant and tan? Okay, just revise the formulas. Derivation of sin x is cos x, derivation of cos x is minus sin x, derivation of tan x is secant square. So derivation of tan x is secant square, means integration of secant square is tan. So integration of secant square is tan. Otherwise write here derivation of sin x is equal to cos, derivation of cos is minus sin, derivation of tan is secant square. Derivation of half is minus cosecant square. Derivation of secant x is secant x into tan x. Derivation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Now see reverse. Integration of secant square we need it. So integration of secant square is tan. Next, integration of secant and tan x we want. Integration of secant and tan is sec x. So minus sec. Here t is there. So t value is equal to x plus. Okay, almost all completed the solution. And finally, tan of t means putting what is t here. In here t means x plus y. So x plus y minus secant t. T means again x plus y is equal to x plus c. The answer. Number. Okay. 10th question. dy by dx is equal tan square of x plus y. So this is also same. What is the assumption here? Let x plus y equal to t. Immediately differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So x derivation 1, y derivation is dy by dx, and t derivation is dt by dx. Each and every problem, first we should assume. So dy by dx is equal to 1 center right side becomes dt by dx minus 1. This is equation 3, and this is equation 2, and given question is equation 1. So now immediately substitute equation 2 and 3 in 1. Then equation 1 becomes dy by dx means dt by dx minus 1. Next is equal tan square x plus y means 2. Okay. So then dt by dx is equal minus 1 center becomes 1 plus tan square. What is 1 plus tan square dt? We have three identities in trigonometry. First one is sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Second one secant square minus tan square equal to 1. From that, secant square minus tan square equal to 1. From this, secant square equal to tan square centered 1 plus tan square. So from second identity I have taken. Using second identity 1 plus tan square nothing but secant square. So 1 plus tan square t means secant square. So now separate the variables. Here t term is there, here t term is there. So this secant square will bring left side. So that becomes dt by secant square is equal to dx at right side over dx. And 1 by secant square means cos square t is equal to dx. Now variables are separated. After separating the variables immediately, integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides. So then cos square t dt is equal to integration dx. Now how to simplify integration of cos square? We know what is integration of cos, what is integration of tan, but we don't know what is integration of cos square. So it must be rewrite. How can we write? We know cos 2 theta formula, that is in terms of cos theta. Generally cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Cos square we want, so sin square also convert in terms of cos square. 1 minus cos square. So minus into minus plus cos square plus cos square 2 cos square minus 1 cos 2 theta. So minus 1 bring left side, 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal 2 cos square theta. So 2 bring left side, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is equal cos square theta. So cos square t means 1 plus cos 2t by 2 we can write. So actually we have to remember the each and every formula. Whenever you don't know the formula, at least the starting formula we should remember. Means what is sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. What is cos 2 theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. So then after so many formulas we can form. So in this way, in trigonometry first year also you can see the formulas. Okay, if you forget then you can remember in this way. Now cos square t means 1 plus cos 2t by 2 is equal to integration dx. Integration dx means x and some constant plus 6. So we should simplify this. So here 1 by 2 plus otherwise 2 right outside constant term, sorry, denominator 1 plus cos 2t dt is called x plus is equal to 1 by 2 into. See, one integration with respect to t is t. Generally, one integration we can write x whenever with respect to x, but here with respect to t, so one integration t. And cos integration what? See, cos integration sine, reverse. Cos integration sine. So sine, here 2t is there, so sine 2t, and 2 is there, by 2 should be written for x plus. That's it. This is the answer. So by simplifying this, 1 by 2 into t is t by 2 plus 2 into 2, 4. Sine 2t by 4 is equal to x plus. T means what? X plus 5. Substitute that. And 2 4 terms are there. Taking the, we can say, taking the LCM. So by taking LCM, we can get 2t plus sine 2t whole by 4. 4 central becomes 4x plus 4 into constant again 4 into c, 4c actually, but instead of 4c again we can write only c, because of 4c means it's a constant, c means also it's a constant. Now 2 into t means what? Now equation to x plus 5. So 2 into x plus 5 plus sine of 2 into x plus 5 is equal to 4x plus c. So again some simplification is there. 2 into x 2x, 2 into x 2x plus 2 into y 2y. The 4x bring left side. Can we bring? Okay, in the next step I will write. So sine of 2x plus 2y is equal to 4x plus. Here x terms are there, here x terms are there. That's why the 4x bring left side and the 2x send right side. Do anything. So 2y I am writing, 2x. That 4x I am bringing left side, it becomes minus 4x. So 2x minus 4x is minus 2x plus sine of 2x plus 2y is equal to some constant. So this is the final answer. Y minus x plus sine of 2x plus 2y is equal to c. Okay? So what is the answer? That's it. Otherwise we can keep here only, or you can write this also. Okay. Same thing. First x plus y equal to t, differentiate. Up to here same in almost all each and every problem. After substituting, we can separate the variables. After separating the variables and again using the integration concept. So whatever definite integration or differential equation, we must know the integration chapter. And to know the integration, before that we must know differentiation formulas. So first year differentiation is a very compulsory, we must learn. Not only in intermediate, in degree level, in physics level also. If you go through the mathematics background, so there also you can see integration concepts, differentiation concepts. So now onwards, these are very important for us. Okay, next 11th question. Say dy by dx is equal to sin of x plus y plus cos of x plus y. So here also same thing. Let us take x plus y equal to t. Okay, this is only question. So now taking equation 1, same as it is up to here. From here onwards, substitute 2 and 3 in 1. So then this 1 becomes dt by dx minus 1 equal sin of x plus y minus t plus cos of x plus y means cos t. Minus 1 send right side. dt by dx is equal 1 plus sin t plus cos t. If you practice the integration chapter, this chapter it can solve. If you don't know the integration, again it can say that it is also become again a new concept, but it is not new concept. It is again integration concept. In integration chapter, who are solving 7 marks question, 4 marks question, we have solved these type of problems. So that's why I am saying again and again. If you know the integration, we can solve the differential equation easily. So first, should do good integration. Now, this complete term send left side. Then becomes 1 by 1 plus sin t plus cos t dt is equal to dx subtraction becomes dx. Now t terms are separated, x terms are separate. Then immediately doing integrating on both sides. So integration of 1 by 1 plus sin t plus cos t dt is equal to integration of dx. How to simplify this problem? When denominator comes in terms of sin and cos, what we have to achieve? You forget that. Generally, speaking in terms of sin x and cos x, you can take dx, sin x, cos x, like tan x by 2 is equal to something, dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay, these concepts we use in the integration chapter. But here sin t cos t is there. So take in another way. Let I am taking some weak. Tan t by t is equal to some weak. Okay. So let tan t by t equal some weak. So then immediately dt becomes 2 dv by 1 plus t square, and sin t becomes 2v by 1 plus t square. Cos t becomes 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay. So in integration chapter we use this formula. But here instead of sin x there is a sin t. So how can we take sin t? Sin t I am taking as in terms of b. Now it becomes 1 plus sin t means 2b by 1 plus v square. Cos t means 1 minus v square by 1 plus v square. dt means 2 dv by 1 plus v square. Is equal integration of x. 1 is x plus some constant. So 1 by, here in the denominator 1 plus v square is the LCM. 1 plus v square into 1 plus v square plus 2b plus 1 minus v square into 2 dv by 1 plus v square is equal to x plus. See, 1 plus v square cancel, and minus v square plus v square cancel. Remaining 1 plus 1 is 2 and plus 2. So 1 by 2 plus 2. In this 2 take common 1 plus 2 into 2 dv is equal to x plus. So 2 gets cancelled. Only 1 by 1 plus dv is there. Generally, what is 1 by x integration? 1 by x integration. Log x. 1 by x plus 1. Log of x plus 1. According to that, 1 by b plus 1. Log of b plus 1. That's it. So, log of b means what here? B means tan t by 2. So, log of tan t by 2 plus 1. And again, what is t? Okay. So, log of, we got it as tan t by 2 plus 1 is equal to x plus 3. So, the next step again, log of tan. T means what again? T means x plus y by 2. So tan of x plus y by 2 plus 1 is equal to x plus theta. Okay. That's it. Or you can write log of 1 plus tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to x plus. So this is the second question. And finally, one more question is there in this variable separable method. So here you are learning how to solve the differential equations. So by solving differential equation, the first method is variable separable. So we are learning variables. Then after, if suppose variables are not separated, not possible, then how to solve the differential equation. For those type of problems, we have another methods: homogeneous, non-homogeneous, okay, linear differential equations. So and so methods are there. But who are writing the exam in this year 2021, 22 to 23? For them, up to this concept is enough. So remaining chapters are there. And who are not, who are writing other than this 22 to 23, you can learn the remaining topics. Those topics we can see in the next part 4 onwards. Sorry, part 5 onwards. So in part 5 onwards, we learn how to solve the differential equation if it is in homogeneous function. Okay. First, let us see 12th question. Before that, please subscribe our channel if you are newly watching, and click the like button, share with your friends, and give the comment whatever you feel. Okay, don't waste time. Let's go to last question. Okay, 12th one. Solve 2x plus y plus 1 into dx plus 4x plus 2y minus 1 into dy equal 0. Okay, so given that 2x plus y plus 1 into dx plus 4x plus 2y minus 1 into dy equal 0. First, this one center right side, so it becomes minus. Okay, this one center right, it becomes minus. Now here see, we can take 2 common. So 2x plus y plus 1 dx is equal to minus of this 2 I'm taking common, the remaining is 2x plus 1 into minus 1 dy. See, here 2x plus y is there, here 2x plus y is there. So that's why let 2x plus y equal to t. Then differentiate with respect to x. Then derivation of 2x is 2, derivation of y is dy by dx, and derivation of t is dt by dx. Then dy by dx becomes dt by dx minus 2. Equation 3, equation 2. And this one is taken as equation 1. Immediately after getting 2 and 3, substitute 1. So substitute 2 and 3 in 1. So 1 we have to simplify one more step. Dx center right side. Otherwise, not here, small change. Everything correct? Don't bother, you just leave it. Same step. First write this one. 4x plus 2y minus 1 into dy is equal to minus of 2x plus y plus 1 dx. Then after, here 2 taking dy by dx is equal. Dx being left side becomes minus of 2x plus y plus 1 by this one center right side becomes 4x plus 2y minus 1. Equation 1. So here 2 take common, so 2 into 2x plus 1. Now this is equation 1. No problem, we change it. Now substitute 2, 3 in 1. So dy by dx means dt by dx minus 2. After is equal minus this 2x plus 1 means t plus 1. By this 2 into it becomes t. 2t minus 1. 2t minus 1. Okay. So minus 2 center right side. dt by dx is equal minus 2 center right side becomes plus 2 minus t plus 1 by 2t minus 1 is equal LCM 2t minus 1. 2t minus 1 into 2, 4t minus 2 and minus t and minus into plus 1 minus 1. So 4t minus t becomes 3t. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 by 2t minus 1. Of course, we can take 3 common. We call 3 into t minus 1 by 2t minus 1. This is dt by dx. Now separate the t terms and x terms. The right side completely t terms are there, center right left side. So 2t minus 1 in denominator, when bring left side it becomes numerator. And t minus 1 bring left side becomes denominator. So dt is equal to 3 into dx. So now variables are separated. After separating the variables, immediately integrating on goes left. So integration of 2t minus 1 by t minus 1 dt is equal to integration of 3 dx. So how to simplify this integration? Okay. So t minus 1 2t minus 1 by t minus 1. It should be splitted. See, this 2t minus 1 is divided with t minus 1. T into 2 into t. 2 into plus 1 plus 2 by subtracting minus 3. That means 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Is it 2 plus 1 or minus 1? Minus 1 is there. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2. It becomes plus. So plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 plus 1 by t plus 1 is equal to 3 into dx. See, very simple. 2t minus 1 by t minus 1 is written as 2 plus 1 by t minus 1. Okay. 2 plus 1 by t minus 1. You can check whether it is right or not also. t minus 1 into 2, 2t minus 2 plus 1, 2t minus 1 by t plus 1. Okay. Now, integration of 2 dt plus integration of 1 by t minus 1 dt is equal to, remove this, is equal to 3 into integration of 1 is x plus some constant. Now, 2 into integration with respect to t is t and 1 by t minus 1 integration. Same, 1 by x integration log x, 1 by x plus 1 integration log x plus 1, 1 by x minus 1 integration log x minus 1. 1 by t minus 1 integration log t minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 1. So 2 into t means what? T means 2x plus 1. 2x plus 5 is equal to log of t means again 2x plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 3x plus. Now 2 into 2 4x plus 2 into y 2y and this 3x bring left side becomes minus 3x. This 3 also bring left side becomes minus log of 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to some constant. Now 4x minus 3x becomes x plus 2y minus log of 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to c is the answer. Okay. So this is the variable function method. 12 questions we have learned. These are enough. Almost all we can see in the previous question papers. Every question comes from these 12 questions only. So we can say these 12 are important and these 12 are enough. If any one question comes out of this 12, we can get choice in the 4 marks question. We have choice in the 4 marks question, so don't bother about that. So no need to learn each and every question from the textbook. These few questions are enough. That means simply what we are knowing, what we are learning, what we are listening in our channel. These questions are enough. No need to any other question. So whenever come to 2 marks question, there we have to just be careful in 2 marks question. Okay. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed.